If you're looking for a healthy change of pace for lunch or dinner for you or the fam, and you don't want to sacrifice taste, well, I, Geoff Allen, the Study Finds guy, have just what you need. Be sure to like and subscribe, Study Finds guy, for the latest information, too. All right, we're off to the races here, but let me first explain something. Here's what we're not up to, okay? When I was a kid, my mom discovered bran was the best thing for your health, and all of a sudden it was in everything. We had bran chunks in our mashed potatoes, our gravy, yes, even our orange juice. I'm not kidding. It was the kale of the 80s, I think. And boy, did we know it. It was in everything. Experts say everything we need for peak health can be found right in the foods we put on our plates, especially when we combine products. But a recent survey of 2,000 British adults show that 21% of people have little or no understanding of vitamins and minerals and their role within their own body. I'll take a couple rolls. I know, but that would defeat the purpose of what we're here for today. The study also found that 54% of adults were unaware that combining different foods can benefit their health. And another 31% never think about mixing foods together to get more out of them. What are we, cavemen people? Use those opposable thumbs. Why do you think we have them? But unlike the flotilla of bran in my orange juice when I was a kid, these combinations we're going to talk about here will have your kids saying, "Mom, may I have some more?" Just like Oliver Twist. Oliver Twist. It was a movie in the 70s.
I want some more.
More! A book by Charles Dickens. Okay. A British nutritionist with a special interest in food science, Rob Hobson. Rob Hobson. Is that his name? Rob. Come on. Rob Hobson has to be one of those made-up TV names, right? I'm Rob Hobson. Back to you, Jim Gibson.
Get on with it.
Okay. Anywho, Hobson says the right food combinations can actually super boost your health. That's right. I said super boost. Read along with me now. Hobson said, quote, "We thrive on synergies, and many of us create them in our lives without even knowing we are doing them." Well, he is British. I mean, come on. From a biological point of view, the body needs synergies to function properly. Food synergy is defined by the way in which certain foods and the nutrients they contain work together to offer health benefits stronger than the individual foods alone. So sometimes simply combining two items can supercharge the impact it has on your health. See, that worked. We've got the top 9 combos coming up here in just a minute, but here's kind of what the gist is of what our British friend is driving at. Hobson says if you want to boost your mood, combine your daily apple with some leafy greens or have some fish combined with turmeric to create a powerful anti-inflammatory, and eating bananas with yogurt can improve some bone health and help with gut bacteria. Olive oil helps the body to absorb vitamin A found in tomatoes and red peppers, which is required for healthy skin and eyes. Black grapes are rich in the polyphenol antioxidant catechin that helps to prevent cardiovascular disease and cancer and neurological disorders. Mixing them together with onion can inhibit blood clots and boost cardiovascular health. As you can see here, the combinations are key as the foods help each other to do the thing they do. Now remember, in the 9 combos here that are coming up, as with everything from the Study Finds guy, I am not a doctor, although I would like to vacation like one. And always have Wednesday off. Talk to your doctor for any medical advice, please. But wait until you see these combos. They're really tasty. Here's why we are telling you this. 54% think their diet is missing key vitamins or nutrients, and 39% blame this on not knowing what vitamins and minerals are even in the foods. Another 36% put it down to not knowing what nutrients they even need. See, there's all kinds of ways we're going to supercharge your diet here. Vitamin D, iron, and vitamin C are among the nutrients people think they're missing. As a result, 56% of people currently take a supplement, with 46% of those taking vitamin D and 35% consuming a general multivitamin. Now, wouldn't you like to get healthy with tasty food rather than swallowing a pill? Why, of course you would. Also, did you know that 44% of people fall into the I don't give a damn crowd and make no effort to ensure they get the right amount of vitamins every day at all? Yeesh. Well, the foods may have their own individual health benefits. This can be greater when mixing them together, as they can help the other one to better do its job. See, you knew that was a quote from our expert Rob Hobson because of my outrageously accurate accent and impersonation. Our diet is hugely important to our health, and paying more attention to what we eat and how we combine foods can be really beneficial, and these can then be harnessed to target specific conditions such as reducing inflammation, managing diabetes and heart disease, dealing with symptoms of the menopause, said Hobson. Oh, like I really had to tell you that at this point. You know it's him. Well, guess what? It's time to look at our 9 super meals to improve your health with food synergy, according to Rob Hobson. I'm going to tell you the food combo, what it helps with, and what we call the food synergy. You'll catch on here as we go. It's kind of like food math. Look at that. There's the first one now. Salmon, prawn, and almond curry. Helps with reducing inflammation in the body, which is at the root of most all chronic diseases. Here's the food synergy. Oily fish like salmon, trout, herring, and sardines, and mackerel. Holy mackerel. You get your omega-3s there, and turmeric brings in something called curcumin. Fish curry is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon and curcumin, which is the active compound found in turmeric. Together, this food synergy can amplify the anti-inflammatory effects of the individual nutrients alone. See? Just like math. By the way, I would have been much better with math if there was food involved. I'm just going to say that right now. Reducing inflammation in the body can help to reduce the risk of many chronic diseases, including those of the heart. No, not like if your goldfish died and you're sad. I mean, the thump thing in your chest, you know. Number 2, there we go. Overnight oats topped with almonds and berries. This helps to fight against heart disease. The food synergy here is almonds that have flavonoids with foods rich in vitamin C. Those are the berries. First, I know what you're saying. What the hell are overnight oats? Is it a British thing? Do knights eat them? No, that's not it. It's a way of making oats overnight in milk without having to cook them. They really only need 2 hours, but overnight works. Anywho, the almond skin contains flavonoids that act as a powerful antioxidant in the body. In combination with vitamin C found in foods such as berries, this fine pairing has been shown to help reduce the oxidation of LDL cholesterol. The oxidation of LDL cholesterol is now considered a key factor in the development of heart disease. Who knew? Oh, almost everybody? Okay. Number 3, tomato, avocado, and chickpea salad dressed with olive oil. This helps with heart health and prostate health. Food synergy here is that it has high in lycopene that comes from the tomatoes and, of course, the olive oil. Lycopene is an antioxidant that has been linked to reducing the risk of heart disease and also has been associated with good prostate health. So if you want to keep the rapids flowing, guys, put some lycopene in the tank, basically. Tomatoes are the richest source of lycopene, which is aided in its absorption when combined with fat such as olive oil. Olive oil possesses many health benefits to support good heart health, including reducing inflammation and increasing HDL cholesterol. Okay, so perhaps a good helping of this will get you a great report from this. The olive oil helps there too. Okay, moving right along. Literally. Number 4, a breakfast smoothie made with probiotic yogurt and bananas. This helps with a healthy microbiota and bone health. The food synergy here is the probiotic in the yogurt, and the banana has something called prebiotics. You'll catch on here in a second. Probiotic yogurt delivers beneficial bacteria such as lactobacillus to the gut. Maintaining a balance of good to bad bacteria is essential for a healthy microbiota. That's the stuff that lives inside you. It's kind of like Batman. What good would Adam West have been without Burgess Meredith, right? Or for you kids today, watching Robert Downey Jr. as Iron Man was way more exciting if he was beating up Loki. I mean, the movie Iron Man washes his car. It's not really that good. This is important because the gut is where food is broken down and nutrients are absorbed and delivered around the body. And gut health is also closely linked to immunity. The addition of bananas adds prebiotics that contains inulin to the mix. These indigestible fibers are fermented by bacteria in the gut. Essentially, they're helping to feed the bacteria in your gut, helping it to flourish. See? Who knew you had to feed living things that live in you? Crazy, huh? Number 5, blue cheese and grape salad, including the red onions. This helps with heart and blood pressure, the circulation. Food synergy is the black grapes with the catechin that we talked about earlier, and onions. Okay, black grapes are rich in the polyphenol antioxidant catechin, which helps to prevent cardiovascular disease, cancer, and neurological disorders. It also isn't bad for weight management either. I need to write that one down. Together, onion and grapes inhibit blood clots and boost heart health. Studies have shown that this combination helps improve cardiovascular protection by improving circulation. That's great. Number 6, apple, walnut, and spinach salad. This helps with cognitive function and mood. Okay, Here's the food synergy. Apples are rich in flavonoids and green leafy vegetables are rich in dietary nitrate. Studies reveal that the combination of the flavonoids and nitrate could increase nitrous oxide production. Ooh, laughing gas. Really, though, the increase in nitrous oxide following consumption of flavonoids and dietary nitrate could improve cognitive function and mood. Beetroot is also high in dietary nitrates, and coincidentally, the name of my rock band in high school. Kidding. Walnuts have been found to slow cognitive decline and keep your brain working at its sharpest. Don't cut yourself on my sharp brain. Number 7, paprika and turmeric chicken. Includes a spice rub that has black pepper in it. The food synergy here is black pepper has something called piperine and turmeric has the curcumin. Okay, before we go too far, every time I say paprika, my wife says I'm pronouncing it wrong. So what is it? Paprika? I always say paprika. Anyway, hey, be careful with that picture. You're getting crumbs all over my shirt. The active ingredient in turmeric is called curcumin, as we learned earlier, and it has been widely researched for its anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin is difficult to absorb in the body, but in combination with black pepper, its absorption is magnified. The active ingredient in pepper is called piperine, which is responsible for this absorptive effect. Get ready. This one could light you up in a few ways, but for the health benefits, I'm sure it's worth it. Eat this any day except for the day you're going to sit next to me on an airplane, okay? We're still friends. Number 8, black bean chili. This includes red peppers, helps with iron deficiency or anemia that's called. And the food synergy here is black beans have the iron and the red peppers have vitamin C. Okay, wow. I'm noticing a trend here. I love beans, but hey, it means I'm healthy. Don't complain. Iron deficiency is the most common nutrient deficiency across the globe. Non-hem iron from plant foods is less easily absorbed in the body, but is more readily absorbed in the presence of vitamin C. Plant sources of iron include beans, lentils, dark green leafy vegetables, nuts, and dried fruit. Red peppers are the richest dietary source of vitamin C, but others include berries, broccoli, citrus fruits, and potatoes. That is one tasty yet odoriferous combo in more ways than one. Okay, here we are at number 9. Ginger and turmeric salad dressing. This includes honey and garlic. This helps with the upper respiratory tract infections that you might get. Food synergy here is the garlic has phenols and then the honey helps as well. Garlic and honey are often cited as being singularly antibacterial. Clearly a quote from our British friend, Mr. Hobson, I think. Research shows that used together, they have a great ability to reduce the growth of pathogenic bacteria, which is due to the, here's that word, synergistic action of phenols and fatty acids found in the foods. It has also been suggested that in combination, these two foods may be a useful alternative treatment for upper respiratory tract infections or can be used alongside pharmaceutically prescribed antibiotics. Well, there you have it. You are now ready to impress your friends and family with some fine eats that also supercharge your health. Like and subscribe to the Study Finds Guy and tell all of your friends where you got this amazing information and these wonderful food secrets. Check out more detail in the link in the description below on this and other studies at studyfinds.com.